morning first speech students. Yesterday what did we learn? Some rules, inequality, solution of the inequality, and how to solve rules. Rule number 1, rule number 2, rules, inequality types, slack inequality, linear inequality, double inequality, numerical inequality, quadratic inequality, double linear inequality, so many types of inequalities, and the solution of inequality and rules, rules. What is the rules? For example, any inequality, for example 2 less than 3, 2 less than 3, this is correct, true, less than 3, true. What is the first? Any equal number multiply or divide both side of an inequality, that sign is reversed. For example, 2 less than 3 correct, so multiply 2 into 2 less than 3 into 2, so 4 less than 6 is correct. Okay, multiply or divide positive number, there is no change. So multiply or divide negative number, negative integer. So for example, 2 less than 3, multiply minus 2, 2 minus 2 less than 3 minus 2, 2 minus 2 is equal to minus 4 less than minus 6, wrong. This is minus 4 is the bigger than minus 6, not minus 6 is bigger than minus 4. Okay, which one is bigger? Minus 4 is bigger, minus 6 is smaller. Here 4 is smaller, 6 is bigger. In positive number, highest number is highest, lowest number is lowest. In negative number, highest number is the lowest number is the highest number. Negative is reversed. So minus 4 minus 6 true, 2 less than 3 true. True condition is given. True condition given after multiply the negative number, the condition is false. So the sign will be reversed. Minus 4 less than greater than minus 6. So the reverse of less than is greater than, less than reverse greater than reverse less than, less than or equal to reverse greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to reverse less than or equal to. This is the rule number 2. Rule number 1 is normal, adding or subtracting. For example, 2 less than 3 adding 2, 2 plus 2 less than 3 plus 2, so 4 less than 6, correct, no change. Subtracting, for example 2 less than 3, 2 minus 1 less than 3 minus 1, 1 less than 2, correct, 1 less than 2 is true. So adding, subtracting, or any negative number or positive number or any number, the sign does not change. So in negative number, positive number multiply or divide does not change. So negative positive number is multiply or divide any inequality, that sign will be changed or reversed. Changed means reversed. Sign will be changed. Less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. This is rule number 2, very very important rule. Okay, next one, solutions. Next, some intervals. This is what? Open interval a comma. We already discussed in set theory, sets. Okay. What is the meaning? A less than x belongs to, this is the open interval. Open interval a comma b equal to a less than x less than b. Open interval is nothing but strictly means less than or greater than. So x belongs to closed interval a comma b. That implies a less than or equal to x less than or equal to b. Closed interval means including a and b only, plus a and b. This is minus a comma b, excluding a and b. Only difference is two numbers. In closed interval or open interval, difference is two numbers. First number minimum value, maximum value. including minimum and maximum, excluding maximum and minimum. This is difference. So next one, x belongs to closed A, open B. Closed A, open B. So closed A has closed, so less than or equal to, B has open, less than. So next one, x belongs to open A, closed B, that is equal to A less than, x less than or equal to B. So some more result. So x is a real number. X is particularly positive integer, negative integer. So x is not given any number. X is not given means x is a real number, belongs to R. So x greater than A, that implies. What is the meaning of x greater than A? A is 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, any number. So x greater than A means the number, the x value is greater than A. Greater than A means above A, not A. Greater than means above A. Above means in the open interval A comma B, closed interval A comma B, the number start with A, end with B. Okay, starting minimum, maximum. So x greater than A means what? Above A, not A, above A. Above A means starting number A. Okay, above A means after A. A to the last number is what? Above A, okay, no problem. Above A means A kinta hichu, this is above A. Above A means what is the first number? Above A is the first number is there. What is last number? Infinity. So A to infinity. Above A means A to infinity. A to infinity, greater than, less than means what? Open interval. Greater than, less than means open interval. Is infinities, is minus infinity or plus infinity, infinities are always open interval. So x greater than or equal to A. X greater than or equal to A. Greater than or equal to A means A and above. A and above. A and above means what? Greater than, less than means open interval. Less than or equal to, greater than or equal to means closed interval. So closed interval A to, the last number is don't know last number, don't know means infinity. So infinities is always open interval, or minus infinity or plus infinity. So x less than A. X less than A means below A. Below A, not A kodala. Not also, not below A. Below A means the ending number, below A. So below 2 means what? 1. Below 2 means 1, 0. 0 next to minus 4. This is a real line. This is important one. This is a real line. The real line in minus 1, 2, 3 and so on infinity. Minus 1, minus 2 and so on minus infinity. The number starting with minus infinity to plus infinity. So negative minus 1 after number, minus 1 after number 0, 0 after number 1, 2, 3. This is always goes to left to right, negative to positive, the smallest number to highest number. So less than A means what? Below A. Below A means below A, up to don't know. So below A means minus infinity, less than means the last number is highest number. Below A means what is the maximum value? A is the maximum value. Below A values. Below A, 2 below values. 2 below values, what is the highest value? 2 is the highest value. So 2 is the highest value means this is the maximum value, this is right side, minimum value, left side. Okay. So minus infinity to A, E minus infinity always open interval, less than open interval. Okay. X less than or equal to A. X less than or equal to A means A and below. A and below means what? This is 1 below means minus infinity to 1. No. Okay. So minus infinity to A is less than or equal to means closed interval. Minus infinity plus infinity always closed interval. always open interval, minus infinity plus infinity. So a means minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, you have to take any value, a value. So a in place of, for example, x greater than 2 examples. Next, for example, x greater than 2. X greater than 2 means open interval 2 to infinity, enough. A instead of 2, same. X greater than or equal to a, close to infinity. X less than 2, minus infinity to 2, open interval. X less than or equal to 2, minus infinity to 2, a instead of any number. Okay. So, next another one, for example. Okay, understand? You clear? In 2 marks question, here 5 marks question plus 2 marks question. In 2 marks question, totally depending on the is inequalities. Next 5 marks question is graph. Okay. In the linear inequality, the graphs must be drawn in graph paper in your examination. In examination point of view, graph will be drawn in the graph paper, on the graph paper. Okay, on the graph paper in our examination, compulsory in our graph. So okay, it's always already discussed. So I will repeat one time: less than, greater than, less than or equal to, closed interval, open interval. This is some problems. Okay. Next, natural numbers. Next introduction is next one. Natural numbers. Natural numbers is denoted by capital N. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Next, integers. Integer numbers. Int is denoted by I, R, Z. Integers are denoted by capital I or capital Z. What is integer? Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. This one, integers. Next, real numbers. Real numbers are denoted by RO. So, minus infinity to plus infinity. Okay, minus infinity to plus infinity. Minus infinity. What is the difference between real number and integers? So here also minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. What is the difference? So integers means only minus 2, minus 3. Real numbers means is correctly this is minus infinity to plus infinity. Integer means only minus 4 numbers only. Real numbers means in 1 to 2 in between, 1 to 2 in between infinite numbers. 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.01, 1.02, 1.03. This is not finite number, infinite numbers. Only in between the number 1 and 2. 1 and 2 in between infinite numbers, not finite numbers, infinite numbers. So integers means only minus 4, minus 3, minus 2 only. Real numbers means minus 4 real number, minus 3 also real number. In between, 1 is a real number, 2 is a real number, 3 is a number, 1 to 2 in between numbers also real numbers. 1.1 is a real number. Numbers, negative, positive, fractional, irrational, rational, the total number, any number is a real number. For example, minus 1 by 2, minus root 3, minus 1 by 3. Okay, what is the difference between integers and real number? Integers mean only numbers. Real numbers means numbers and in between 1 to 2. 1 to 2 in between infinite numbers. 2 to 3 between infinite number. That numbers also is any number is simply minus infinity plus infinity. Okay, next this is one of the. So next let us go to the exercise 6.1. Okay. Okay, are you clear what is the natural number, integer? Positive integer means what? Positive numbers is. Negative integer means negative numbers. Negative numbers. Okay. Natural numbers means only positive numbers. Only positive numbers is called natural number. Negative numbers, positive numbers, 0 both are called integers. Even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 is also even numbers. Minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8 is called negative even numbers. Odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is also odd numbers. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on, these are also negative odd numbers. Okay. Next, let us go to the exercise 6.1. First question. Solve 24x less than 100. 24x less than 100. First one is x value. Solve means what? What is the meaning of solve? Solution. Both are same. Solve means to find the x values. Solution also find the number of x values. X is a natural number. Only x values 24x less than 100. Only natural numbers. Only natural numbers. In second bit is x is an integer. Okay, 24x less than 100 means this is so many values. In so many values, only first bit is in so many values, select the only natural numbers. Next, only integer numbers. First, solution. 24x less than 100. X less than 100 by 24. 100 by 24 less than into changes into divide. 100 24. 24 4s 96. 4.20. 24 1s 24. 16. Okay, and so on. So x less than 4.10. X less than 4.10. 4 below natural numbers. So first one. Less than 4.1 or 16 anuko 0, 16 andre 6s, 96, 40, 136, 144, 6 is 144, so 16 anuko for example. Okay, 4.16 below natural numbers. Below 4, how many natural numbers are there? Below 4? Below 4, how many natural? What is natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on are the natural numbers. Below 4, not 4, below 4. Up to 4, this is what a difference. Up to 4. Up to 4 natural numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4. Below 4, less than. Okay, below 4 natural numbers is only 1, 2, 3. Below 4 natural numbers 1, 2, 3. Below 4.16 natural numbers. X less than 4.16. X is only, we want only natural numbers. Below 4.16. 4.16 is a natural number? No. 4 is a natural number. 4.16, 4 point something is not a natural number. 4.16 below. Less than means what? Below. Below natural numbers are only 1, 2, 3, 4. Below natural numbers are 4. Next to second bit. Same. First name natural numbers. So next to and integers. Integers means what is integer? What is integers? Okay, 4.16 below natural numbers only, the natural number starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 is a below 4.16 natural numbers. Second bit is what? Integers. First bit to natural numbers. Integers. Integers. Below 4.16. 4.16 is integer? No. 4 is an integer. 4.16 is not a integer. Below 4.16 integers, all negative also, negative numbers also. It observe the real line. So first of all, this is the real line. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. Below means right to left. Above means left to right. Above means left, right. Okay. Below 4. Below 4. You go below 4. 4.16. 4 point something. This is 4. This 4.1 nearly this one. 4.16. Below means what? Goes to right to left. Right to left means and so on. And so on. The dots minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Up to 4. 4.16 below 4, 3 below 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus up to infinity, minus infinity. Below. Below means what? Real line. Below means what? Goes to right to left and positive to negative. Below. Above means negative to positive. Okay. This is the first question. You understand first question? Clear? Minus 12x greater than 30. Second problem is solve minus 12x greater than 30. Minus 12x greater than 30. So, solution. First bit to natural numbers. X is a natural number. Same question. Natural number. Second bit to x is an integer. Same. So, first given minus 12x greater than 30. Correct? Minus 12x greater than 30. So, minus 12. Okay, negative number don't send to right side or left side. Negative, positive number you can send. So, negative number don't send left side directly. So, first multiply negative number. This x value is negative. So positive means 24 less than means direct go divide to right side, so no problem. Negative value means what? First to multiply minus 1 both sides. Okay, what is rule number 2? What is rule number 2? Any inequality, the negative number, the negative positive negative integer multiply or divide, that sign reversed. Sign reversed means what? Minus into 12. Minus into 12 is equal to 12x. E greater than goes to less than minus 30. Okay. Minus value minus ಇದ್ದರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್గా x greater than 30 by minus 12 అనబారదు. By the rule number 2, the negative value is there means multiply negative both sides. Negative both sides means the negative goes to negative changes to positive, greater than changes into less than, the positive number changes into less than negative number. Next, after that, same procedure. Minus 30 by 12. 30, 12, 12 2s 24, 6.2, 12 5 60. So x less than minus 2.5. Less than means what? Below. Below means right to left. First less than. X less than minus 0.25. So what is the highest number? Highest number is minus 2.5. So e minus 2.5 below values, so this is minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, this is minus 2.5. Okay, minus 2.5 below values. Okay, minus 2 point below value, minus 2 ki smallest value, minus 3 is below value, minus 4. Below means what? Right to left. Minus 2.5. This is come to minus 2.5 to left. So, as negative, all negative values, x less than minus 2.5 means below negative values. So, for example, minus 3, minus 2, 1. So, natural numbers means what? Only positive number is called natural number. So, first bit to empty. Natural numbers means what? Only positive numbers. So x less than minus 2.5 means, so this is minus 2, minus 2. Minus 2.5 less than means so below values. These all are below values. Minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. These all are below values. So all values are negative. So natural numbers means only positive number. So there is no x value means empty. So second one. Integers. X is integer. X less than minus 2.5. X less than minus 2.5. Minus 2.5 is not an integer. Minus 3 integer. Okay. Minus 2 point less than. But formula. X minus 2.5 below. So what is one? And so on. Dots. Minus 5. Minus 4. Minus 3. Okay, integers. So below means so that number to left, go to left, that number below less than a less than minus 2.5. Minus 2.5 goes to left side, right to left side. These are all values, negative values up to minus 3. Integers. Okay. Natural numbers. So x less than minus 2.5 means all negative values. Negative value. Natural numbers means that only positive value. So there is no value. There is no value means pi, empty, set 2. Okay. This is answer. First bit pi is empty set, second bit 1. Next. Next, solve 5x minus 3 less than 7. Solve 5x minus 3 less than 7. 5x minus less than 7 when x is an integer, x is a real number. First bit to x is an integer. X is an integer. Second bit to x is a real number. So solution 5x minus 3 less than 7. 5x less than, e minus 3 goes to right side, plus 3. 5x less than 10, no. X less than 10 by 5 equal to 2. So x less than 2. Less than, no, less than means below, below 2. Below means what? Goes to right to left to. The to number 2 to below. So this is first is what? Integers. Integers. So this integers means below 2 means starting from 2 to below. 2 to below means 1 is to 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and so on up to all values are below 2 values, and so on, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. Integers. Less than 2 means not 2. Less than or equal to means with 2. Okay. Next, second one. Second bit, what is second bit? Real numbers. Real numbers means we asking real number, we have to use open closed interval brackets. Must be using open closed intervals. X less than 2, already discussed. X less than a. Less than a means below a. Below a means less than means below. So a to left, a to right to left. 2 below. 2 below means what? This is 2 below. Below means minus infinity. 2 2. Less than means open interval. Minus infinity plus infinity are always open interval. Below 2, x less than. You don't understand means apply the formulas. X less than a, x greater than a, x less than or equal to a, x greater than or equal to a. X less than a means minus infinity to 2 open interval. X less than or equal to 2, minus infinity to 2 closed interval. Minus infinity plus infinity is are always open. Okay, no doubt. Minus infinity plus infinity always open. The less than means less than, greater than means open interval. Less than or equal to, greater than or equal to means closed interval. So this is the first type of problems completed. Tomorrow I will continue the next method of problems, next type of problems. Okay, thank you.